あちゃん、シラって覚えてる？シラおばあちゃん新しい車買ったよ。日本車大好きなアメリカのおばあちゃんが、来ました来ました。ほらシラだよ。ほらシラ。Hey シラ。How are you? 日本の国旗もかけてるんだ。あれ Gloria. Did you get a Gloria? Oh my God! I gotta see it. I'll be right there. Sky, go get. It's a Gloria. Sheila, go get her. Go get her. Go 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 go. The VIP, VIP だよ。スカイちゃん、シラだよ。Hey Sheila, how are you? Look at your new ride. It is beautiful. Oh my God, flags up and everything. I absolutely love it. Congratulations. I have not seen this car in person. I saw a little bit about it on Instagram. And I'm saying, oh my God, when did you get it?
I got it about 4 months ago.
It is so nice. I love it. I love it. Congratulations
Thank
to
you.
you. I love this car. Which generation of Gloria is this?
It's a Y33.
A Y33. Wow. Are you loving it?
Yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it.
You have Japanese flags on it, the VIP kind of style, right?
Yeah.
Very, very cool. Can you take me for a ride in your new car?
I'd love to.
And really?
Yeah.
That is so awesome. I haven't been in a Y. I used to own a Y33 Gloria way back then, in the day back in Japan, but I haven't been in one in a long time. So would you take me for a ride in yours?
I'd love to. Yes,
Awesome. Let's do
absolutely.
it. Nice. シラおばあちゃんとドライブに行きたいと思います。すみません、失礼します。Hello there. God, this car fits you so good. You look perfect in here.
Thank
That
you.
is awesome. Wow, and what a clean car. Look at these mats.
Yeah.
Look at the door panels. Wait a minute. Sheila, there is something maybe you know about it, maybe you don't. Is this your first right-hand drive car?
Yeah. I'm still
The
actually learning.
smell of Japan. Did you catch that in here?
I smell the smell. I didn't know that was Japan though.
The cigarettes in the car. Do you smell it from over the years? A little bit of that Japanese tobacco smell.
Is that
The
what that
Japanese,
is?
yes, definitely. This car, there's a smell to Japanese cars, and this car has it. This car
wow.
has the smell of Japan, including that little cigarette smoke smell as well. Oh, look at that, the Gloria. Wow, everything's in Japanese on here, a lot of stuff.
I know.
Do you know what that says?
I have no clue.
That is your outside temperature, Gaikion. That's outside temperature. But it's going to be in Celsius, so unless you learn Celsius, we don't know Celsius, us Americans, do we? 65,000? It's like a brand new car. There's like, you got like 35,000 miles on this car.
Is that all?
That's it.
Oh my!
I'm teaching you all kinds of stuff about your car. Let's hear this thing fire up. I gotta hear it. Let's hear this. Oh, the sound of Japan. Oh my God! And this is your daily driver?
This is my daily. Yes.
Oh wow. Let's go for a drive.
Okay.
Let's go for a drive. Do you like the beep noise on the Japanese
I
art?
do.
You do?
When I first went in reverse, I'm like, what is that noise?
In America, we don't have those. You look good on this side. You look good. Let me see
Okay.
you there.
Yeah,
I
I'm
think you're
I'm
good,
on
yeah?
this side.
You're good.
Ah, it's a pretty car.
Nice. 65 Impala. Nice. Now you're good. Kakoi. You know, you're not supposed to ask this, and would I be out of line to ask you? I know you're a grandma, right?
Yes.
You have
yes.
how many grandkids?
Oh my gosh, I have to count them. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8.
You have 8 grandkids? No way. But you're like a cool grandma. You're like a cool granny.
Well, thank you.
You are. But so I have to ask, could I ask your age?
Yes.
Thank you.
I'm very proud.
Yes.
I just turned 68 March 31st.
Well, you look fantastic. You look, and 8 grandkids and a JDM right-hand drive Gloria. You're the coolest grandma on earth. Woohoo! Are you comfortable driving a right-hand drive car?
I'm getting there. I still have to focus and I still have to concentrate. And sometimes I catch myself drifting over just a little bit.
Okay.
But
what about the right and the left, the directionals? The directional, do you wind up doing the blinker? I mean,
Oh
the
my
directional and the
gosh.
wiper mix-up?
Yes.
Yeah, you have your left-hand drive Z. Now you have a right-hand drive. So yeah, it keeps your mind. It'll keep your mind active, won't it?
It sure
That's
will.
I've done that a lot too. Don't feel bad. Everybody does it. Don't let anybody tell you they haven't done that before, because everybody does.
Okay, can I tell you a little story?
Of course.
Okay, so what happened is I was on the Hot Wheels Ultimate Challenge TV show,
That's right. Yeah.
and I won my episode.
You won it.
I won.
Congratulations. I remember
Thank you.
that. Yes.
With winning my episode, I got $25,000.
Congratulations.
Thank you. With a portion of that money, I bought this car.
That is such an awesome story.
Yeah.
So, but there were so many cars you could have chosen from. Why this car?
Ever since I got my 350Z, I just absolutely fell in love with the JDM culture and JDM cars. When I got the extra money and I knew I wanted to replace the daily that I had, I started looking at JDM cars.
That's
And
awesome.
this one really caught my eye. I love the headlights.
I do too. The four round headlights are
Yes.
awesome, right?
Yes.
The headlights and the grill. The grill is beautiful, right? Were you impressed with how nice it drives? It's like luxury, right?
It is.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe how comfortable the seats are. You know, because the Z is lowered and,
Yeah.
and it's on coilovers.
Yeah.
And when I sat in this car and started driving it, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so comfortable.
It's sporty, but it's luxurious. It drives nice. It looks nice. It's got nice interior, nice floor mats, and this one is in such nice shape. Like somebody really loved this car back in Japan.
Yeah, I want to go to Japan so bad.
Are you planning on going to Japan?
I am.
You are?
I am. Oh,
What do your grandkids think of this car, Sheila?
I have a teenage grandson
Yes.
that absolutely adores the Z, the 350Z.
Yeah.
He hasn't seen this car yet.
Oh my God, he's
because
gonna go nuts when he sees this.
I need to go take him for a ride in it. As a matter of
Absolutely.
fact,
Yeah.
you're the first person that has ever ridden shotgun in my car.
Woo! I am honored. Thank you. Looking good. You're good. Whoops. All right. Wow, you're pretty used to the right-hand drive, I gotta say. I would have thought you've been driving these all your life. That's good.
Thank you. I installed those flag holders all by myself.
You did a good job. Are you a Texas? Are you Texas born and bred?
Yup.
Raised and everything? Really?
Absolutely.
A Texas girl?
I am.
Were you always into Japanese cars, or was that something later in
No.
life that came to you?
Dude, no. I was never into
Very good.
cars. What happened? My son took me to a drifting event. I fell in love with the 350Z.
That's when you fell over the thing. Okay, so
Yeah.
that was the connection to the 350. Okay.
Yes, yes. So when I came home, 4 days after I came home, I bought a 350Z. That's the first time.
That was it.
Yeah.
And that car made you famous, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. The story. I told the story.
Yeah.
And it went viral.
That is awesome. That is what an awesome story. What have the cars led you to in people and relationships and other things over these last few years that you've been involved in this community?
Oh my goodness, I have met so many wonderful people. I've made so many friends. I got so many friends, I can't even count them.
I got a feeling you might have a few Japanese friends that come about now.
Well,
too.
I sure hope so.
That was an awesome ride.
Yeah.
That was really, really fun. I'm really happy for you. You're a positive person. Ever since I met you, I come to Texas. You're always smiling. You're happy. You're a positive person to be around. So to see you now with a real right-hand drive Japanese car too, on top of your 350Z and what you know for, I'm really happy for you. It's like now you're like official member of the community.
That's right.
Although, wait a minute, there is one thing to make you totally official. Pull back into my driveway, and I'm going to be right back. I got something for you.
Okay.
シラはこの間ね、星のおばん焼き食べてみたいって言ってたのと、車用にステッカーちょっと用意しましたんで、プレゼントをあげましょう。I'm going to hand it to you in one bunch, just like that. Whoop! I got it. Just wait. Thumbs up, go. Look at that.
Oh my
Go. Look at that. Oh, no. Hold on. Will it come out? すげえ、どこに行ったんだろう。あら
There it is.
Did you find it? Where is it? Oh my God, it's still going. It's still going. Stop. We got it. Way to chase it down. Wow, that's a lucky one. I've never seen a sticker roll like that. Have you?
Oh, no, I
My
haven't.
goodness.
Oh, my goodness.
Woo, we just got some exercise, didn't we? Running around. So,
Look, oh my God.
Look at you. I brought you some hoshi, my obayaki, original obayaki. My cafe is opening soon. You haven't tried them yet, have you?
No, I haven't.
All right, I'm going to hold those stickers. You're going to have to try one of those.
Oh, they're soft.
But I brought you, you're going to enjoy. They're fresh, made this morning.
Oh, my gosh.
Let's see.
I've
Take
been
a big
wanting to try
bite. Oh, you got the custard cream.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, my gosh.
Is that good?
That is so good.
That is called obanyaki. Obanyaki. Here we call it hoshi in Texas.
Hoshi.
You know what hoshi means?
I have no
Star.
Star. Oh.
Do you know why I chose that name?
Why?
We are in the Lone Star State. And the star is a very cool symbol in Japan too. So that's the name I came up with.
That was
That
so
is-
good.
And the other one you can take home, and that is a traditional Japanese sweet red bean that I got for you.
Okay, thank you
So,
so much.
I'm
Steve. Can I
glad
hug
you
you?
enjoyed. Of course you can.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, so we're gonna start with the thumbs up fortune cat sticker. Does that look good?
That looks good.
There you are. If anybody asks what this is, that says thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
You got it. Nice. All right. What do you think about right here?
Perfect.
Let's do it.
Yep.
There we go. Oh, does that look? And it matches your paint. Look at that. You were right. The
It's
silver
perfect.
ties right in.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Official. Nice. 知らない。興奮しているんだよ。車をまだ、スティーブの車まだ見てないから、このガレージの中をちょっと案内するところです。Here we go.興奮している。初めて言ってくれたので興奮している。
Look, a cake up.
Oh my god. Sheila, thank you for such a fun day and for a nice ride in your car. I really appreciate it. Be safe. Your stickers look awesome and thumbs up always, Sheila. See ya. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Up. You got a car coming. All right. All right. You're welcome. You're good. You're good. Okay, you can cut it. Cut it. Got it. Awesome. See you again soon, Sheila. Bye. Bye bye. じゃあね、また会おうね。